Okay, I got the stator back together. I gotta do a little more work right here so this ain't out here because flywheel spins around this. Got a new set of points on there. I gotta set them. Ain't a professional paint job, but I ain't looking for a professional paint job because it gets put right there. Flywheel, full start. You'll never see it again. So, I do want to get the lighter track, but man, the guy I found who has a brand new one wants $480 for it, and it's a lot of money. I bought my whole Odyssey for $300, so if that guy don't come down, and I don't buy it, I'm just gonna build my own. And plus, when I build my own, I can build it to my liking. I want to also build a toolbox in it, so I have a little storage box right there. And yeah. So what's new on the Odyssey. We're getting it fixed, getting it done right.